So welcome friends to today's video. So today's video I will be telling about one postgraduate diploma program related to agriculture for agriculture students and agriculture allied students like food technology, microbiology, biochemistry, etc. So postgraduate diploma in agri warehousing management, so shortly spelled as PGDAWM, and it is one of the mock courses. We call it as massive open online courses, and the offering institute is one of the prestigious institute in the agriculture domain. Normally we call it as Manage, right? It is situated in Hyderabad. So they are offering a 1-year program. It is called as a diploma program, and the main focus specialization is agri warehousing management. All of us know warehousing means stocking the finished products, right? Agri warehousing means stocking the agricultural commodities, your food grains and other things related to food products. Okay, so how you are going to manage? So in this video I will be telling the special features of this course. So in this pictures, from these pictures you can easily understand that what it covers. Okay, so warehouse, agri warehouse. So in a agricultural warehouse, that is a place where to store the food products, how we should manage that warehouse. Okay, so this is a 1-year online program. And the offering institute is one of the premier institute, National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management. Shortly we call it as Manage, Hyderabad. So it is an institute under Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, situated in Hyderabad. So it is in Hyderabad. The main feature program, what is the main program they offer is postgraduate diploma in management, agribusiness management. Okay, so that is a 2-year residential program. So we are not going to cover that one. They are offering, this premier institute is offering one online program as of now. So that course we will be seeing in detail. Of course they are having so many courses in their pipeline, but in this video we will be specific to this warehouse management course only. So postgraduate diploma in agri warehousing management. So this course aimed to provide a technically qualified manpower to manage different aspects of warehousing. So third line you can see what are the different aspects of warehousing. Logistics, how your food product or the food grains are transported from one place to another. Supply chain, right? What are the various networks the food product is traveling. Inventory management, how to have a stock, how to see a stock analysis or maintain a stock analysis in your warehouse. Then collateral management, etc. So realizing the importance of trained manpower in this sector, Manage, that is this institute in short form will be called it as Manage. So Manage has launched an educational program of 1-year duration. So the main point to note is it is a 1-year online program, not a short-term program. It is a 1-year online program since it is a postgraduate diploma program. Then the objectives of the course. The objective of the course is to create a pool of warehouse professionals with capacity to manage agri warehouse efficiently and to help have them latest knowledge and understanding of related aspects like negotiable warehouse receipts, inventory and collateral management. Basically it is a managing your stocks and inventory in your warehouses. So salient features. So this PGDAWM is a 1-year course, and it is a mock course, MOOC, that is massive open online course. Okay, it is an online program only. Then the content is given, then study material consisting of write-ups and videos for each subject covered under the course is made available online, along with interaction with industry experts through online platform. So the mode of the delivery also is given. Write-up will be provided and recorded videos will be provided, and one-to-one sessions will be there. That is one-to-many sessions, like the live classes will be there. And course structure and contents. The program has 32 credits. Similarly, what we are studying in the college, it is having the 32 credits and having the 2 semesters. Each semester will have 16 credits. So 16 plus 16, 32. So the course have 9 subjects along with the project work. So as usual, what we are doing in our regular undergraduate or postgraduate, we are having this 1 year course, online course, 32 credit course, and it is also having a project work, right? So once you complete this all the requirements, 9 subjects along with the assignments and project work, you will get a certificate, right, for this program, PGD AWM. And what are the subjects you will be studying in this course are in semester 1. Just I am reading out the names: conceptual and regulatory framework, warehouse business and operations, grading and assaying, storage space and their management, exposure visit and report writing. So this is courses, these are the courses for the semester 1. In the semester 2, warehouse receipt management, risk management, warehousing cost management, record management technology, relationship management, exposure visit and report writing. So this is second semester. So also it will be having a project work. Okay. So based on your interest, if you are interested in studying about the warehouses, storage, grain storage, and godown, storing the commodities in the godown, and how it logistics is working in the food industry, agriculture industry, you can opt for this program. And who can enroll for this program? Okay, previous videos I have talked about the internships where pre-final third year students are applicable or eligible to apply for the internship. But this program requires minimum graduate, okay, in any discipline. That's why it is called as a postgraduate diploma. One who has graduated, then afterwards he can enroll for this program, postgraduate diploma. Whereas a diploma program is even the undergraduate student can study. But since this is a postgraduate diploma, this is for students who have a bachelor degree. So eligibility, bachelor degree in any discipline from a recognized Indian university. So they have not mentioned or not restricted to the discipline. Okay, only agriculture or horticulture or food technology. It is open to all, but having knowledge, background knowledge in agriculture, food technology, food processing is an added advantage. So other conditions are given. Normally it is applicable UGC recognized degrees only, it will be there. And how to register and submit the application, right? So application is provided in the website. You can Google it, www.manage.government.in, PGD AWM MOOCs, MOOCs. Okay, here the application given. Last date for application is September 30. Today I am putting the video on September 14. So you have 16 days to apply. Those who are interested can apply. And the course fee for this program is 7,000 rupees. Okay. So candidates seeking admission to the PGD AWM must pay the course fees of 7,000 rupees to manage through RTGS. Payment of fees has to be made only after the acceptance of application by manage. So in the application, what they are saying, you just initially apply. If you are eligible, then you will get a mail from the manage. Then you can pay the fees. That is okay. You need not pay the fees initially without ensuring your eligibility. You first submit your application. If eligible means they will send a mail to pay the fees. Then they will release the selection list from where you can enroll for the program. Then how you take the online course is through, see, the candidates admitted to the this program may log in. They have login credentials, and you will be given login credentials once you paid the fees of 7,000, and using that you can enroll for that program. And assignment instructions are given, and exposure visit and report writing. And semester end examination is there. It says it will be an online examination only, so no need to travel in person to the institute, okay, for during the course period of semester 1, semester 2. So if you are working in industry, or if you are trying for other examinations after completing your undergraduate degree, you can enroll for this program, because 7,000 is a nominal amount only for a 1 year program, and the degree is very much essential if you are going to work in a warehouse industry, and it is a value added course from a premier institute. It is next to your of course IIMs are top in India, so it is tier 2 or tier top rated colleges, top 20. The manage will be there, especially for the agribusiness management, right? And some passing criteria are given here. And general information, age limit is nil. People of any age can enroll for this program. Medium of instruction is English. Duration of the course is 1 year. Important events. So there are 2 intakes, okay? One is winter and one is summer. So now the application is open for summer calendar. So July to September. Okay. So September 30 is the last date to submit the application, and commencement of the course will be in November, and first semester will start from November to April, and second semester is from May to September, and your final examinations will be in October, right? So this is a general preview of the course, and for any other information you can log into their website, okay, National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management, manage.government.in. So hope this helps. So this is a short review of this program, postgraduate diploma in agri warehousing management. So if you are having if you want to work in warehouse industry or inventory management, logistics, it will be additional qualification from your premier institute like this. Okay, so make use of this opportunity. Thank you.